Hi, we will call about Stronko about to my GH. Edu Emerela, e di Ghana and common Ghana, the echoes will have say, Ebremo, Midi Edinana Ama Obusua. Now, any day, na watch ya HMC and I watch you memo, yet it is Sembebre, Efa, Ejusuman Senior High School, Efa video beer, and my web almost school, one post it online. I have viral Ghana for. Will be adding a tum if we GES, ABC celebrities said Lydia Forsen, Womdy or Manutum Eka Wassem, and then they in pass a man also. Ye already if you want school or Omukum Ama, the Sian Womu Fifie, and the co school is as we are final year studentity, Womuko school or Egostia or my dear. Na asem we beto jano Ghana for bebrena ye ni ekodi school ni echi ene mantim won senate ni se ejusu de wokọ abakosem a edi kesepa e wa santimanu na so de ntia wo mu school a ewo ho a ehye enkwala wo mu school nsem a nsem se ebepie fi won ba na Ghana for bebre no ye ntia se no NCP eti ye ma ye do mu school ekọ hwehwe me bisa mantim won fo no se de ena ekọ so de nti na school no ase se ana edin ase e wo spe ma emaiwa no kra wo mu dan to buy say edi na enhwemu ebe pie mu no de beto dwane say mantem wo fo no wo mu ti ejisu a wo ben school no bebre na do no say de yatete kra de hu social media no eno ya enketwa mu kra na enketwa mu kra say yate say ma no e de say kasa wo mu ti phone so amu jina video mu na wo kasa keke na waba no abetu pa say emai ene member mu school no teacher for ene student for omu di te say ahensia ebe won wa ka say na ha e school and I say ha e club and I say ha e hotel and I say ha e baby a te say ye gi edwaman tuma na because entia say e shede enedwuma wo mo say be 2 years ni hey sex ye ka sex scandals school no agini hu din pa e fasa esemsem no wo be connect teacher Otewo na abayo wo school etere na so wo kan ss student teacher relationship put me can be break esa se one quotation something e kan no sex scandals so ejusuman senior high no bebre esisi wo na de ete no just free show no ye ho tete ho crapo e na ye tete mo video ni mu aye viral no na obo a wo mo ti wo no wo mo chire wo mo say ebe ye efie bienu ne no GS for kra ensem no ebro mo so ma wo ba school wonum eyi teachers for bi edi or say the Ghana Education Service upon investigations dismissed 3 teachers and non-teaching staff who was an accountant while 4 others were transferred. It was teachers for a mo she emayo bo school no wo mo show mo kutu se wo mo enter wo ma ye wo mo se wo mo nkyere enkola na de no mo tiri nyi fanye penipa e wo school wo mo akasa e fa enkola no e de wo mo ye wo akasa ma de wo mo bo student e wo school wonum ama wo mo timamefo mo ti ebe mo mahu bi wo mo se na enkola ti PFA school entare a wo mo hihye ko school e de bia de di se ejisuman ho de e sa bra na e ne ye bo nti e be ya GS fo no wo mo ncheche owo belt ye wo mo nya mo adwin ye no mo bra school na se disciplining action dia wo mo be ma school na atletere ateki place to school no ma ye ne ntema o mo nya ne ntema se school no wo ma fo na ensi ho no ma ye o ma atletere anya djuba school mo ma enche no ye de ho no ebe ye ashawo bia ye be se ye training Ghana ashawo fo no mo degree no mo tumi pa ashawo ma na enso mnanti o mo de o mo patronize ashawo fo a ho no ene ye be yi o mafi ho ne de o mego for training eti aban no ene GS no wo mo ma o meni embre e wo sa school no ba ni se ensensema e koso no ya abro se say yeyi omododo ni grade ni yeyi 7 ma 7 ni grade if you no kra ene esenka enye warning ema wo mo maka school mo na ka vows ni ka school won ko di ye tis scandal bia na fake prana akenya o mo kese pa vows ye se pe ni be hwe school mo no wa wo ni prana na wo ba school mo kra be ye te se wo kra de se na girl no ka video mo kra de ka wa ka nipa wa wa say kra wo ka nipa ho one kind nipa ho say no can say virgins no at this age you virgin a unye nipa no sa na e ko so school no say see ano vows ye say nra no pe ni be hwe school mo no emaiwa etu akese enufu no mo teachers si wo mo no wo students de wo mo na mo ye wo school mo no ka no I te say de asem bia kran si ya pa mo emumu 7 po efe school mo no e te be ya GES for no wo mo for wo mo na NC form pintin pa no o mo ma atletere emba ejusuma senior high school na Womo kasa na mo de betu dwan na Ghana fo bi so womo acho omadwen afa the echo so ewo Ejisuman Senior High School we say the Prosper Metrics akoto say the only rapid response here is only to investigate the teachers' work. They might also be having issues here. However, unannounced search should be conducted to do away with all electronic viral tools, and students should be checked frequently to avoid this sort of abysmal conduct from them. Parents should also do their best to provide their works with necessary things they need so that they will not rely on these bad practices for money. They are too young for that. And the way they all can say, they are. Sena, it is my phone and Cassa a babonte, and ever to just say GS4, and match and best morning. And they are woman and temper, woman pet and pass. Won't be this idea with Hunjuma. No because no number at the train at that way. No may investigate teachers a war. Ecolano to what's more, may inspect you very well. And who said, Bibia and no one betting their recorded videos. I never be a self that was monitor. GS so woman and album to no uncos mono, no mongoya or mojuma ever. Where to Effie Penelope Davidson or say, today's students don't need advice because they see themselves to be grown up. So they do what they want and their parents cannot control them. So it's a generation that can stop them. Not advice unless they face a situation before they will realize their mistake. Penelope so they are what can say. And then we are saying, and then kwala wonko school no. If it will be a new one, a bet me as a crumb. Hey, they say kwala babano. Doma wo foka kra woman tie. It's as a woman himself. So ma wo fokra anye ska ahwe kra. E kwan fofo bi wo ha, o mo betimi ya pesika ahwe mo ankasa mo no. Nti be ya. Yefa atretin entu be bia esefata. Se na adese mo tu o ma. O benya suehu kese wom. Na wo betimi etuanya so se na o mo repeat o mo mistakes biem. Se asem to o mo so a o benya esuehu kese e wo mo nti se se ade ekole aba no nye futuo bia eni betimi dia ma sakra. Ye ntwese ensofre ebetom. Obi so dia o de ba o se fe no appear because this is why these students need sex education. These kind of incidents are all captured in the secular, but no, we are a nation of holy people. Now deal with it. Or say na Ghana has say you can say yeah Christopher ye hote ye empe sex education obedjem and they say only pema go come obedjem no. Science and I want to start aban kole iso a omo ye de omo penanse enka ye mo entetie e sex education mo na say ye no mo kasa efa empeso agro e kenya say ene ye hu de hu ne ye ja enu ne ahye secular word no ewiasefo nya ba no na wo mo so mu suafi ho ne say ho na eni je kese na akohye etu mu suafi ho no e na mu hu nya ma e say fata e na mo so o mu dan di e wo mo tibanti e be ya Ghana for ye penny for engine game check on be introduce sex education say na ye betimi enkwala no e betimi esuade. Where to dear Effie Anonymous say sex education, you said a child who knows more than their parents still needs sex education again, bro. Think it's unthinkable. Ghanaians need God intervention. Sex education on TV, social media, school is the cause of all these things. It's when they don't trip out and you reply to Bismarck dear we can't first one say sex education dear. One fan to check cry. It's as like Anna say no. Yeah, Kolani in Impono. One more education po any the omu ye. It is say the betu dwa ni pete mu ye ka ene onu oba yesi ya ese wonda ni say we onu oba da ese the church sanya man de ka de be say asem no e be say asem ti say no de Ghana ye hia pa ne say Nyankopon ankasa be pete the sign e wo oman ni so enye sa see master's education no cost wo TV so social media schools mu a ene eno anu no asem na say crewe eno de ye pete be hu kra ne be hu ye da no pe na ikola no wo ba ka mu abom ho na wo mu di o madwuma e wo ho no eti wo sha Ghana fo bebre no akasa etia de maiwe eye e wo school mo ne de videos a epie no ena ebi so atwe mu say embwa ye dachi me ye tena se ye din e de nsa hye de dem fem se de ekono de enkosa enkosi se adefufo besi o mu kwan a ebe se Ghana ye youth for ni dia enti ebe ya GES ana se wo mo ye de adesua won sem ahye wo mo sa no wo mo tinjina pinti no wo mo hye se wo mo de atretre betu ko em se teachers eno mo be hye mu aye scrutiny aye interview akese ahye wo mu hu wo mo suba ya se de wo ebe be yi o makọ schools mu akọ dia ye ne say let's say nkola no so ye be inspect o be make sure say sa phones ne social media ho nyama no bo mu timi fa ko pie mo school e ba sa nyama we APP o school won no e no so ye hwe ne ndi ho dwuma na embo a na etwetwe sa nyama so e sa say de eba no eya adroso eya abro aje ene tiase so eti wo hwa gan fo bebre na aje atum say GS and punishing teachers before wa almost school almost fa nkwala so e ma mo di empaso agro e wo school mo no ebutafo eme ko eti bibi say wo so asem way there e na wadwe e yo fa tum say edubra GS on beji sa edwuma we atom so na ma hwe na atentene aba so e wo school bia mu a school teachers for ne mayu ogu school mo no e di empaso agro na wo no e yo mo sokopepe no wo me tie gire mo na ma hwe say sa nyama so no etuwe cha say na mayu e no ma dwe say empaso agro de no ano the only way obetimi enya sika e de ahwe wo na wo mu njai sa nyama na ekosko ni videos a eba out video no de o je fa be ba chofabra e wa share comment section e wo Tuma GH as e bi so me ma refi say share video na wo bisu for wo phone ya so wo be informed about the ekoso e wo Ghana afani ha me dey ede na ama owuso aha na be ya kwai am e dwubede na si e ma refi say wo betimi e share me